Question number 8. Part A, we need to discuss this x-y-axis. This graph cut y-axis, this fx graph cut y-axis. We know that at this point, when the graph cut y-axis, x value is 0. And I want to find y value. So I'll substitute here. When x equals 0, if 0 is minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus 2, and 0 plus 1, 1. Then this is going to be 2. So this value is going to be 2. So coordinate is this point is 0, 2. Part B, this AFX graph crosses y-axis at 0 minus 4. Now the same graph AFX graph crosses 0 minus 4. Now we can see that, now we know that AFX is a stretch of fx vertically. Vertically, it means, so all the points of fx curve, all the y values of fx curve, when we multiply by a, we will get AFX curve. So I'll take 0 to a point, then I pick up the y value. X is stay the same. And I multiply by these two by a. All the y values by a. And now it's become 1 minus 4. Then I can divide both sides for a equal minus 2. You can think of the reverse thinking. If we have minus 2fx, then what were the transform? Coordinate to 0 to, it means 0 to, we fix 0 value of fx, we turn this to 0, 2 times minus 2, 0 minus 4 when it is fx curve, afx curve, minus 2fx curve. 0, 2 point, 0, 2 point, turning into 0 minus 4. Now part C, fx graph, when we draw fx plus b, so that graph goes to 0, 0. So then ask what are the possible values for b. For that, first of all, we should know the roots of this equation. So let me find the root of this one, the fx. To find roots, fx equals 0, then x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 1 equals 0, x equal 1 no, x equal 2 or x equal minus 1. So minus 1 0, 1 0, 2 0. Now assume that minus 1 0, 1 0, 2 0. I I just do a random graph. Assume this is the graph fx. Now this is 0 0. Now fx plus b curve, it means with the translation, uh, this curve going through 0 0 now. This is fx. Then after translation, this fx plus b going through 0 0. So only possibilities, what are the possibilities now? If this curve shift by 1 unit, this is minus 1, to right, then if this fx curve shift by 1 unit, it's still this curve go through 0 0. Then f x minus 1. If f curve shift by 1 unit, the curve go through 0 0. So this is the transform equation. Or if this curve shift to left by 1 unit, then still this curve go through 0 0. Let's say this is 3 points A, B, C. So we discuss this one from A. If A point we shift to 0, then still the curve go through 0 0. So A point shifting 1 unit mean fx minus 1. The other option is B unit we have to bring to 0. It means the whole curve we have to shift by 1 unit to left. Then that is going to be x plus 1. Or C units, if you push 2 to left, then still this curve go through 0 0. Then the other one is fx plus 2. Then we have three options: b either minus 1, b either plus 1, or b is 2. So those are the three options. So now we have to write this information in a sensible manner. So we can write so fx plus b curve go through 0 0 if fx shift unit 1 to right. It means that is fx minus 1. That is fx minus 1. or fx shift 1 unit. One unit to left, that is fx plus 1, or fx is shifted, fx is shifted, fx is shifted 2 units to left, that is fx plus 2. That is b equal 1 or b equal minus sorry, that is b equal minus 1, b equal 1, or b equal 2.